One effective method to resolve error code 0x0x0 is by performing a disk cleanup. To begin, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. Once disk cleanup is open, click on OK. You will then see a list of files to clean. Check all the boxes provided and click OK again. Finally, select Delete Files to proceed with the cleanup. Another crucial step in resolving this error is to update your Windows operating system. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the right pane, click on Check for updates to ensure your system is running the latest version. The final solution we will explore is running a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and make sure to click on Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files to identify and repair any corrupt or missing files that might be causing the error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.